Hi everyone, this is Quinn from Quinn's Art, and I have for you today some tutorials for creating borders for your journal using some fall floral theme ideas. First, I sketched everything out. I have 4 different themes that I'm going with: sunflower, pumpkins, acorns, and mushrooms. So these are all very fall things for me. I wanted to expand the idea of floral to also include things like pumpkins and acorns and mushrooms so that you can get more variety than just simply flowers, that there's more things in nature that can be beautiful and very autumnal themed. This is one of the first times that I've done something entirely digitally created. I have never digitally journaled before, but it's something that I'm starting to get into now that I've used Procreate a little bit more. And so I've started, as you can see, doing a recording using Procreate. This is the first time I've done that too, and I found the wonders of certain aspects, like using copy and paste to keep certain elements consistent throughout all of my designs. So these first 4 designs are all breaks in pages. So the idea is that you can use this in the middle of your page to indicate that there's a break. You could also use these at the top or the bottom of your pages to indicate a new page, just some nice decoration to go along with it. I also like that in Procreate I can make things look symmetrical a little bit better. While I do enjoy hand drawing things a lot, there's nothing that quite beats being able to make things perfectly symmetrical, as I was able to in these borders. So this next one are 2 examples of corners that you can do, one with the sunflower and one with the pumpkin. Of course, I once again began by sketching my ideas, and then I went using copy and paste and adding a little bit here and there to create the actual designs themselves. So these you can just put in the corner of your journals to add a little bit of spark to your page. And so for the sunflower, you can put them in any 4 of the corners. Pumpkins, they work better in the bottom 2 sides, so either in the bottom left or bottom right corners, but experiment, see what else you can do with them. And the last one are acorns and mushrooms. So the acorns, like the sunflowers, can be in any 4 of the corners. Mushrooms, once again, kind of want them to be on the ground since that tends to be where mushrooms are. This is a fairly short video, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. There's a blog on Archer and Olive that kind of goes through this, and you can actually find a printable with these designs on them. So if you just want to print these out and use some scissors and add them to your journal themselves, you can go ahead and do that, or you can add them to a note card you're writing to somebody, or you can do anything like that, or you can just sketch them yourselves. And if you do, feel free to tag me or Archer and Olive, and I'd be happy to see your creations. I'm always excited to see what amazing things y'all create. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.